Here's a list of 8 delicious and commonly enjoyed foods that are not only tasty, but also nutritious for maintaining a healthy diet. Strawberries, sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. They make a delicious snack on their own, or you can add them to yogurt, salads, or smoothies. Oatmeal, a warm and comforting breakfast option. Oatmeal is not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. You can customize it with toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey for added flavor. Spinach, versatile and mild in flavor. Spinach is a nutrient powerhouse rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and antioxidants. Add spinach to salads, smoothies, omelets, or pasta dishes for a boost of nutrients. Sweet potatoes, with their naturally sweet flavor and creamy texture, sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great choice for supporting overall health. Reply below with what your favorite, yummy but healthy food is. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamin D. Salmon is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Whether grilled, baked, or pan-seared, salmon makes a satisfying and flavorful addition to any meal. Greek yogurt, creamy, tangy, and packed with protein and probiotics. Greek yogurt is a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for smoothies, dips, dressings, and sauces. Dark chocolate, indulgent and rich in flavor. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat, but also packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. Enjoy a square or two of dark chocolate as an occasional treat to satisfy your sweet tooth. Avocado, creamy, buttery, and nutritious. Avocados are a versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, wraps, or simply spread on toast. They are rich in healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a delicious and satisfying addition to any meal. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and reply with what's your favorite healthy food.